Hey kids, back again. So what we're going to do is make sure that we've got this named my cannon, because otherwise it kind of doesn't make any sense when we go to play it. It'll confuse us as to what we want things to happen and what their names are. So we'll get those black triangles. And those black triangles would help us go and fix our game and play our game. As we left it before, we could see that it was going into the corner like this. It's going at velocity x, vertical x, and velocity x and velocity y, which means it's going x and y in those directions. So let's go and put this at 0 and see what it does. Then we can go and play it and see what happens now. Now you can see it's actually going down, which is not what we want. Okay, if we go and change this to -50, let's see what it does then. Let's go and test and play around with it. Let's go and see what it does now. Now it's going the complete opposite way. What we need to do is we need to make sure that it's going in the right direction. So to make sure it's going in the right direction, let's go and see how we can change this. So x is from side to side. Okay, minus x goes to the left, plus x goes to the right. So I want this to be 50. And I don't want it going up or down. We just found out that when we change this to 50 and -50, it either goes up or it goes down. And what we want this to do is we don't want it to go up or down at all. We want it to go from side to side, which is what the X means here. So when I go and press play now, I've got it going this way with my cannons. Okay, they're my cannons like that. Right, everybody, have a little go yourselves.